Here is how to select an account for a transaction in QuickBooks. If you are already signed in to QuickBooks Online, begin from the left side of the screen, click Accounting in the navigation menu. This opens the area where you can review account activity and work with imported bank and credit card transactions. From there, select Bank Transactions. You will move to the Bank Transactions page where QuickBooks shows transactions connected to your financial accounts. At the top of this page, choose the specific bank or credit card account that contains the transaction you want to update. Make sure you select the correct account before continuing, especially if more than one connected account appears across the top. Once that account is selected, check that you are viewing the Pending tab. This matters because the transaction needs to be in the pending list before you can categorize and post it from this screen. If another tab is open, switch back to Pending. Now locate the transaction you want to work with. Review the list until you find the correct entry, then click directly on that transaction to expand its details. When the Details panel opens, make sure Categorize is selected for that transaction. This tells QuickBooks that you want to assign the transaction to an account or category rather than match it to an existing record. In the expanded transaction details, find the account field. Under that field, click Select Category. A list of QuickBooks accounts and categories will appear, and you can either scroll through the list or use the search function to narrow it down. Search for the account or category that fits the transaction, then select it from the results. Take a moment here to confirm that the category you choose reflects the purpose of the transaction shown in the bank feed. After selecting the account, review the other transaction information shown in the expanded details. Check the transaction type first, then look at the From/To field and review Product/Service as well if it appears for that transaction. This is a final review before posting, and it helps confirm that the transaction is being recorded the way you intend inside QuickBooks. When everything looks correct, click Post. QuickBooks will record the transaction using the account or category you selected, and the transaction will move forward from the pending state. Thanks for watching. The transaction is now posted in QuickBooks using the account you selected.